In this video, you will learn the 5 biggest mistakes brands and businesses make on Instagram. We are going to show you the kind of content that gets negative reactions or low engagement for most businesses on Instagram, how to encourage comments and engagements on your posts, how to attract more of the right kind of followers, and how to adjust your brand strategy to create more engaging posts. So we'll start with the 5th mistake: not being social. Many businesses treat their Instagram profiles like a radio advertisement. They only like posting messages about themselves, their products, and their services. They forget the social part of Instagram and don't engage with their audience, and they don't create content that their viewers would want. This leads to very low engagement because normally engagement comes if your viewers love your content. So shift your Instagram strategy to focus on conversation. Here is how to do it. Know your audience. Create a mix of content that your audience loves, including memes, funny quotes, and some informative posts alongside some product promotion. Respond to comments, questions, and messages, and engage with other brands in relevant conversations. Look at Ben & Jerry's. Their Instagram isn't just about ice cream flavors. Although those are pretty awesome, they share funny content, participate in social trends, and engage with their fans in a light-hearted way. Their authenticity resonates with their audience, making Ben & Jerry's a fun and relatable brands people enjoy following. Now, the 4th mistake: posting overly produced or perfected visuals. In the early days of Instagram, people expected picture perfect photos. Brands responded with heavily edited and high production content. This approach isn't effective anymore because social media awareness is higher. The focus on mental health has grown. Today's audience appreciates a more genuine approach. Instead of stage shoots, focus on capturing in the moment snippets of your brand or product in action. Skip heavy editing and filters and use a more natural look that feels relatable. A great example of this is GoPro. Their Instagram account features a mix of user-generated content, funny memes, and some professionally shot footage. However, even the pro shots maintain a sense of adventure and authenticity, blending into the user's feed without feeling like an advertisement. Subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. We need your help to keep making helpful videos, so click on that button to get access to our student marketing community. Trust me, it will be worth your while. Now, the 3rd mistake is not using the newest features. The Instagram algorithm is constantly changing, making it a challenge for businesses to stay visible and reach new audiences. Your content strategy needs to be more Instagram Reel video focused right now because Instagram prioritizes content created with its latest tools. Duolingo is a brand that is actively thriving using Reels. Their Reels are fun, educational, and perfect for their target audience. Now, the 2nd mistake is posting without a strategy. Many businesses lack clear direction about why they are on Instagram. This approach makes it difficult for them to achieve any meaningful results. Before diving headfirst into posting, take a step back and define your specific goals for Instagram marketing. Do you want to increase website traffic and drive more potential customers to your online store? Are you aiming to build brand awareness and establish yourself as a leader in your industry? Or maybe your goal is to leverage Instagram shopping features and make direct sales through the platform. Having a clear singular goal will allow you to create a strategic plan. This plan will guide every decision you make on Instagram. It will also provide a way to measure your business progress. Now, the 1st mistake is not experimenting with your strategy. Instagram is constantly changing, and what worked in the past might not work today. Sticking to an outdated strategy will make you keep missing out on your main target audience, and you keep missing out on hitting your goals. So experiment. Don't just copy what others are doing. Test different things to see what resonates with your unique audience. This could be anything from posting times to the length of your Instagram captions or the types of content you share. Test for a set time, analyze the results, and see what performed best to adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, I want you to go to the comments and tell me which of the strategies you add to your Instagram strategy. If you comment, we are going to chat together there. So pause the video right now and put your comments there. If you don't know what to comment, just type Instagram forever in the comments so that I can give you a reply. If you put a comment there, ensure to check out this video on how to do all your marketing easily with AI. Check it out and I'll see you there shortly.